Hi Zainab.
Hi.
What you have today?
I have I have some color slime.
Okay. Yeah, okay, open and tell me the color's name. Open this one.
Daddy want big yellow slime.
Yes, open the box.
Hello friends, let's
Now open. Open the slime. Okay, what is the color? Put. Start. Tell the color's name, Zainab.
It's orange.
Okay.
Let's open the slime.
Okay.
Green.
Not coming out. Oh wow, come out. Yes. Wow. Okay, put here on the table.
Oh,
Okay, open the next color.
it's green.
Yes, open.
It's blue. It's coming out.
Yes, okay, put here. Yes, open the next color.
It's white.
Yes, it's white color. Wow.
Do you want to come out?
Yes, come out. Okay, white put here. Yes. Okay, now open the next color.
Oh,
Purple. Show in camera. Purple.
it's coming out.
Yes.
That one come out.
Yes. Purple. Okay. Put here. Yes. Okay.
Next color is yellow.
Yellow. Yes.
It's coming out.
Yes. Okay. What is the next color?
Yes, pink.
Yes. Pink color.
These pink colors is
Yes. Pink color put here. Wow. Okay. Open the next.
yes. This one. Yes.
What is the color?
Red.
Red. Yes. Red color.
Now put the red here.
Yes. Put the red here. Okay.
Now let's have a next color. I have another red.
Other red.
The next color is brown.
Brown. Okay.
And I open this one.
Okay. Put next. Put to next. Yes. Here. Okay.
I have blue. Not next blue.
Yes. This is the last color. What is the last color?
It's blue.
Blue. Okay.
Blue.
Wow. What are you doing? Wow, Zainab.
I have a slime.
Yeah.
So squishy. Do you wanna for slime? Now let's mix.
Yes. No mixing.
That is a big slime.
Yes. Make big slime and make the things.
Then
Okay. Now mix. Make pizza. What you make, Zainab?
make a pizza.
With?
Pizza sauce.
No.
I have pizza turn the slime.
Yes.
Cut it.
Okay. Finish. Not put all. Now make ice cream.
That isn't that.
Oh. What is this?
Yeah, do you want to make smiling?
Okay.
Do you want to make her eyes?
Okay, make your hand.
That is
How many fingers in your hand?
5.
5. Okay.
Daddy, don't touch slime. Don't.
Time.
Mommy, do you want to make? Ooh.
Time. Take. Oh wow. Zainab.